There's no one-size-fits-all approach to finding the best curling iron. With these hair tools, the size and shape make a world of difference in achieving the type of curl you're looking for, and so do your hair type. Many products are available to choose from curling iron, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best curling iron from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best curling iron. Number 1. Conair Double Ceramic 1-inch Curling Iron. Though we haven't tested this pick in the lab, you can't beat the price of this classic curling iron. Despite its eye-popping bargain price, it's racking up 5-star ratings on Amazon. It has adjustable heat and a ceramic coating, and it's a solid choice for the price. Just ask the 54,000 plus 5-star reviewers, who say it works great on fine and thick hair alike. At such a bargain price, it may not last you for years and years, but it still does the job just fine. Since 1959, we have made innovative small appliances, hair styling tools, and more. Our hair care line includes high-quality hair dryers, brushes, styling devices, and hair accessories. Number 2. IONIC Long Barrel Styler. Sick of running out of space on your wand to curl your long hair, or having to wrap hair multiple times over itself? This tool works especially well for longer hair, thanks to the extended length of the barrel, which the brand claims is 2 inches longer than most curling irons. Though we haven't tested this pick in the lab, fans love that their style lasts for hours, with one reviewer saying her curls last the whole day, and I still can have loose curls the next day. Nano minerals hydrate and condition hair with multi-level heat control to provide ultimate shine and condition. Number 3. Spin and Curl 1 Ceramic Rotating Curler. Spin and Curl Rotating Curler creates flawless beachy waves at the push of a button. Hair is drawn into the curl chamber where it is heated in time to create perfect curls and waves every time. The digital temperature display offers easily adjustable temperature settings and a selection of preset temperature settings for each hair texture, creating a customizable styling experience while avoiding unnecessary heat damage. Ceramic heat technology produces far-infrared heat, while the conditioning benefits of negative ions result in shinier, healthier, and more beautiful hair. Curling hair has never been so effortless with the Spin and Curl. Number 4. BabylissPRO Nano Titanium Professional Curling Iron. Celebrity hairstylist Nikki Nelson also likes the BabylissPRO curling irons, calling the temperature settings phenomenal and delivering an amazing curl. It's made with a titanium barrel to heat the hair from within, creating everything from loose waves to tight curls. The BabylissPRO Nano Titanium Spring Curling Iron creates loose waves or textured curls. The Nano Titanium barrel uses far-infrared heat, heating the hair shaft from within for styling without damage. It is available in 3/4, 1, 1/1/4 and 1/2 sizes, depending on the desired curl size. Number 5. Xtava Professional Curling Iron in Wand Set. One of the most affordable options available anywhere, this interchangeable set offers an entire arsenal of curling tools for less than $50. You won't get a cool tip, but all the important features including widths between 0.3 and 1.25 inches are here. Not bad, Amazon. The user-friendly design features a universal dual voltage of 110-240 VAC that adjusts automatically to the proper voltage when used with a compatible adapter. With a 60-minute automatic shut-off function, quick heating technology, and an 8-foot 360-degree swivel cord, this set has it all. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification if you need any more valuable information, or if you want to know products' original price. Do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime. Further, stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.